Welcome and welcome back to my garden. So today I got me a mail call.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.
So this package is from Bernie. That's Gardening with Bernie. Go ahead, guys, check her out and show her some support. Bernie, thank you so much. I appreciate it. She's over there in the US. So yes, me get Farrin Things. All right, so a few months back, I commented on Bernie's video. She had this particular product. She had this particular garden product that was very useful, and I commended her for using it as a garden product. I told her I like the fact that she used it, and it was months ago. I didn't even remember. A few weeks ago, she contacted me and she said, Stacey, remember a few months ago when you commented about this particular product? I wanted to get you a few, but each time I went back to the store, there weren't any. And so I saw it in the store the other day, and I'm going to get it for you. Just like that. I was like, I didn't even remember. I am so grateful. Thank you so much. So she went ahead and she got the product for me. And she didn't just send just that product. She sent me other stuff, which we're going to get into. But I just want to highlight her for a moment. So go ahead and check her out, guys. I will definitely link her channel in the description. Thank you so much again, Bernie. I sincerely appreciate you. Thank you. All right, so let's dive in. All right, so this is the product. It is actually a jumbo mesh bag. It's a laundry mesh bag. For those who have been following me for a while, you will know that I make my own liquid fertilizer from kitchen scraps. Initially, I just put the kitchen scraps in a bucket and pour water on it. And then one of you, my wonderful garden family, told me to put the kitchen scraps in crocus bag and then put it in water, and that is what I have been doing. Now, when I saw Bernie did this, it was long ago, long before I start using the crocus bag. So now this is even more handier than before. So I am just going to start using these. So what I have in the crocus bag over there, I'm going to put them in my mesh bag. Yeah, so this is much more useful, I believe, seeing that it's a mesh. So she didn't just send me one, she sent me, this is another one, so that's 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5. Thank you so much, Bernie. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so these are 5 mixed bags. All right, so she sent me this tarpaulin, and this is going to be so useful for me. So very useful. I didn't look at the size just yet. Oh, by the way, she sent me these before the hurricane. I was on a healing journey, so I didn't post it. So I got these about a week and a half into 2 weeks before the hurricane the other day, and it was even delayed, so I would have gotten it sooner. I didn't look at the size of it. Let me see. And it is very lightweight, so it's very easy to handle. nice size. Thank you so much again, Bernie. Alright. I don't think I'm going to get it back as neat as it was. Well, not right now. So those are those. She sent me 2 packs. 2 packs of plant labels. And I'm smiling and laughing and giggling because I don't really label. And so I'm always falling into problems remembering what is what. Because if it's not big enough, sometimes I don't remember, like the seedlings coming up. I don't remember what they are until they reach a certain stage. So I have now my labels, not just 1 pack, but 2 packs. So there's no excuse for any memory problems. Alright. So she sent me some seeds as well. Yes, those are, yeah. So these are the seeds. This is dill, zinnia, bush blue lake beans. These are some chives, arugula, sunflower, more zinnias, lemon balm. This is my first time ever going to grow lemon balm. I am so excited to grow it for the first time. And this is some honeybee mix. My first time with this one as well. Alright, so yes. Thank you so much again, Bernie. I appreciate you. Alright. She sent me a little card and let's see what's inside. Cute. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello to you, Bernie. Alright, so it says, "Hello, Stacy. I hope you enjoy these garden helpers. Sorry it took a while for me to get this in the mail. Your garden friend, Bernie." And she has my favorite walk code. So the date is there from the 12th of June. She sent it off to me. So I've gotten it some time ago. All right. Thank you so much again, Bernie. I appreciate it. Guys, please run on over, check her out, and be sure to let her know that you appreciate what she did for Gardening with Stacy. Thank you so much, my family. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for tuning in. And until next time, walk good. God bless you.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.